open this actually. We're actually opening it.
We're gonna focus on unbroken bonds today.
We're looking for that rainbow rare Charizard and Reshiram.
Yep, and then we'll work on some more vivid voltage, looking for the chubby Pikachu. And saw these in the store. Haven't seen any Champions Pass in a while, so we're gonna see if we get lucky with those.
Yeah, and we're gonna open this finally.
Yeah,
last.
probably on Sunday. So we're gonna get into it. Got these babies at Walmart.
Something actually funny, we didn't open one off camera. We got a rainbow rare, that one.
Yeah, do you remember which one it was?
It was the Sylveon and Gardevoir.
Yeah, so not bad from one. So hopefully the rest are just as good or better.
I think they're gonna be better.
We're gonna open all 6 of these up in 18 packs.
Let's open up these packs. We have one side of a booster box right here. We're gonna pull a red Charizard. I know we are.
Remember, I'm just gonna open them all. Do you want to do the green and white thing again?
Yeah.
Green. We're gonna get some cool hits. Wait,
Did you do that right?
it's a hollow rare?
Wait, what?
What did I do wrong?
So far, all of these are green code cards.
Oh, look. This was supposed to be the rare, but they didn't give me an energy card. Unless that was what it's counted as. But we got a hollow rare hit out of a green pack. Interesting.
Interesting. Well, at least we got something out of a green pack. That's actually probably super rare to have one.
I don't know.
Did that happen again?
Marowak is rare. That's supposed to be the last one. This is supposed to be
An
energy card.
What's going on? I guess we have some air packs.
It's weird. I don't know if it's an error pack. We'll see.
Can I open the next pack, please?
Yep.
Y'all guys are getting lucky as well. Just same with us. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did that happen?
I saw some. Don't look. Oh!
We got another error pack.
What you mean?
This. We didn't get our.
That's weird. So we got a rainbow rare
And a hollow.
and a hollow. Okay. Keep looking. See what else is in there. We're not too sure about these packs.
I'm pretty sure everything is just regular
I
again.
mean, hey, dude, good job for last pack of luck.
You said it, and I got a rainbow rare, so that's cool. And a
Punch Crow GX.
Wow.
I mean, I'll take it.
I will take it since it was my pack. Literally, what? No, you say what? Oh.
So there should be an energy.
Yep.
Keep saying. Surprise box is that, and Porygon Z is a hollow.
Can I see that card really quick? No. The light was shining a little too much on it.
I told you we're gonna get the Charizard restaurant in one of the Charizard restaurant packs.
I know, but I'm still screaming Charizard.
Yeah, no, keep doing it. We need all the help we can get. This is gonna tell me if I need to buy more of these or not.
You probably will if you don't get Charizard.
Celesteela GX.
Celesteela.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Whatever you said.
Celesteela.
Stressful. Stressful. Venomoth GX. Ford. I mean, we're getting hits. I mean,
Everybody says every GX is a full art because it has the full art, but you know whenever it's a full art, whenever you have the texture. So it's cool if y'all guys are calling people who might help me. People are saying that when it's a full art, but it's not texture. So that's some good tips.
Last pack luck. Oh yeah!
I said it and we did it!
But it's not the rainbow rare that we were looking for.
But it's still Charizard or Shram. Charizard or Shram. Tag team.
And
Let's
it's
go!
pretty good and centered.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. We're gonna have to check that one up. Yeah, that is awesome.
Yeah!
I told you we were gonna get him.
Out of a Charizard
I should have
or-
just said we're gonna get the rainbow rare Charizard restaurant. You know, we would have got it.
Are we gonna open anything
Well-
else in today's video?
No, this one's done.
Alright guys, so we're gonna show you guys what we pulled. Out of this pack though, we pulled something called
We chanted it the whole time, and then we got it.
out of this pack right here that I pulled it.
So
So
we also got a nice rainbow rare. We should have chanted rainbow rare along with Charizard and
Rainbow Red
Reshiram.
Charizard and Reshiram.
So that is definitely, it was fun to pull that, and I think it was worth its money just on this card alone, out of like 6 boxes. So after it's graded, of course.
How
Well,
much is it like for graded 10?
don't know. We'll find out if it's a 10. You guys stay tuned for the next video. We will be getting into Vivid Voltage and Dub Wool at the same time, most likely.
And then tomorrow, the big baby,
Yes.
the mama of all Pokemon cards that we probably will ever have.
We're going to have some fun, so stay tuned. See you guys next time. Like and share, subscribe.
Peace. I love y'all.